Alright, so today is the next day and we're at Lowe's right here. We're getting some flowers, more flowers to plant today. My uncle want to plant some more flowers. I got my sister, I got my mom. You hear the birds?
I love him, birds.
He said he want roses, something red, just that.
I got some rose bush.
We was actually supposed to come here during Mother's Day. They supposed to have been giving out free flowers, but we didn't have time. And then we was like, why should we stand in line? We don't know how big the flower was. It could have been like a little flower that was given out for free. So yeah, we here though. We gotta get flowers and we gotta get mulch. Beautification day was a success. A lot of people left because they had to go back to work. My brothers left, my sister left. So we out here though.
Rose bushes.
The rose bushes.
They 2 for $30.
2 for $30.
Limited time deal too.
Oh, that's a deal.
They got a knockout roses. Those are good ones.
You like that song? Yeah. Y'all, this is why I love bringing my camera, because I just put y'all on my tripod and we good. I do this everywhere I go. Alright, which one should we get? Like this one?
That looks cool. The roses look good.
Oh, this is stabbing me.
Yeah, roses
got
have
thorns.
front. Yeah, they do.
I like this one. What you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
This one?
Fine. Oh, these are cute. So you want to pick out one? Or?
Yeah, you want to pick out one? This is a rose bush. It's going to grow bigger.
Okay. Which one speaks to my soul? It says Velma
See,
Jean.
one that looks like it's nice.
I feel like some was good at top.
I was about to say, yeah.
Like all the way up top.
Because these been getting sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Like they look so full up there. Yeah. They look healthy too.
Oh, yeah.
I want the one behind them. I'm just not tall enough.
You want me to get it?
Yeah, this one right here.
Alright.
But yeah, picked out a rose bush for my grandma.
Alright. Here go your thing.
Okay.
What is it?
Here, just
Oh,
about
yeah,
to
that look full.
get the one I really want.
Yeah, this look good though. Yeah, this is full.
That looks perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get three.
And look, this one is not even butter still.
That's what I was thinking. Should we get three?
Three, because
Yeah, get three.
I like to buy things in odd numbers when you planning.
Yeah.
That one on the end, right there, kind of look good. Do that one look good on the end?
Ooh, so good in my
I
eye.
know, mine too.
Ooh.
And,
It looks okay. It look kind of big.
the one, let me see, this one probably look good. Right
The one
there.
behind it?
Yeah, the one behind it looks. That one looks really good.
What y'all think? They got the things.
Yeah, it look good. What you guys think? It looks good.
Oh, the rose bushes.
Them joints got thorns in it. So those the only plants we
You
gonna
saw
get?
this 2 for $30.
Yeah.
Oh, we
Okay.
should get
So what?
You want to get 4? Or that's too much?
Nah, it's odd. That'll probably
Okay.
be fine.
Okay.
2 for $30. So I wonder will it be more than 15, but we'll see.
Yeah, it probably will.
Okay. I wanted to show you these
Ooh, my
over
eye.
here too, Ma. These come back every year.
My eye. Dirt in my eye.
Let me see. This one?
Hold on, the wind blowing it. I got it, mine. I just gotta hold it open. Oh, these right here.
That's something like
They
next
call
time.
hosta something.
Yeah.
But they come back, you put them
They
there.
right here.
They come back every year.
Oh,
So
okay.
they could plant these somewhere else around the tree at the bottom or something, because they definitely come back 4 years.
For years. How much these cost? It says 1 year guarantee.
13.
What, they got warranty on this?
One of them.
Yeah, they usually used to be about 6 months.
You said 13.
Yeah. I thought probably like Mother's Day weekend.
These like the
price.
joint granddad kind of got. Like at least a
No, it
little
ain't
bit.
though. Here's something else.
So this gonna grow up, or it's gonna stay this height?
This stay like this.
Yeah.
Well, we can start with this, and next time try to get this.
Yeah, next time when we come with Vent, we could add on more.
Yeah.
And see where we want to place it at either way, too.
Right. At least that section over there gonna be good now.
Yeah, that section is going to be good.
What we was looking for if we wanted it? Some
Mulch?
mulch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might as well get from all here, huh? We don't got time to keep
Where we get that at over there?
hard on that side with the dirt and stuff. Everything went good yesterday, y'all. Spending time with family, spray painting. You could see all the stencils we used, and we got a lot more work to do, but it was just good getting the whole entire family together. Today is the next day. We're supposed to be leaving tomorrow, so I'll be back in the DMV, back in my hometown, Maryland. So let's get it, let's go. I'm happy you guys are on the journey with me. And I also received my grades today, and I got an A in both of my classes, and we're on to the next. All right. This soil. Oh, y'all see it. He says all the way over here. The black mulch. Last time we bought mulch, we went to like this company that sell like bulk rocks. Like an actual company. I don't know. Like, in here, where we live at, it's like a lot of companies. We don't have, like, it's not like, it's like private owned companies basically. Topsoil. It's topsoil. Oh, it's down here. It's down here, I think. Yeah. Black mulch. My uncle wanted to do red mulch at first, but he changed his mind to black. I think last time we got brown. Prevents weeds naturally.
Y'all can work here. He was like, it's a cut in the bag. Y'all getting these 50% off. We was like, oh, okay.
He said he wanted black. How many you think we need? Like 2?
Probably at least
3?
One can sit up here. Before I can hold the flower.
Alright, we good to go. One more. You know this mulch is branded though. I mean, you bought that for like that and cover all the trees though. I think this is fine. They sprayed it. Oh, do you think the back is big enough? Okay. You can put it somewhere else. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, let's go to the house. We got a lot to do. So my uncle is going to plant these rose bushes in the mulch.
Oh, these some cinder blocks.
And we gotta go. We just came from storage, putting stuff back in the storage, and we gotta go do something else. We gotta go pick up the benches and put them back in storage. It's supposed to rain today, and we want to protect that. So that's what we about to do. And then we're gonna meet up with my aunt, and then we're gonna go out to eat. So let's go.
Are these roses?
I don't know.
They don't look like roses.
That's the best. They are roses. They got thorns and all that.
Oh, okay.
Them poke me.
Oh. I guess I'm used to them blooming like that. I guess they
In
come
bunches
out
too, huh?
Yeah. It's
Like all together. I never saw a bush.
No, you can do the last one.
Oh bang!
You got it. Yeah, just hold the cart. bushes behind, but it's all good.
I mean, this one I want to go by. Ooh. Oh, you got both on. Okay, Star. All right, y'all. So this is everything. The 3 rose bushes, the 4 mulch, and yeah, I'll show y'all the finished product. But now we gotta put the benches in the car. So that's what we about to do.
Just moments away from my breakthrough. Moments away.
Oh, do you put a feet down? I love doing stuff like this. After we put the benches in, I gotta show you how everything held up from yesterday and what was done, so y'all can see the final product. Up a little bit. All right. How we last time? Yep. All right. You got it. This thing looks so good. This looks so good. Okay. Yes. That looks so good. We just trying to clean up last minute things. I'm gonna show y'all the trash cans. This was like some people first time spray painted, so.
I'm not huge barbecue. I eat pork, but I'm just not huge barbecue head.
It's good to have on the trash cans.
Gotta make sure no spiders in the bag.
Oh yeah. It was fun doing it with my cousins and stuff, because it was some of the first time spray painting, so. It's not perfect, but it's perfect to us. The roses, the mulch, the hydrangea, flowers. So he gonna put like the rose bushes over here, I believe. And it's gonna look real good over here with the mulch as well. So I don't know where he gonna put it at, but he gonna figure that out. That looks nice. On the tree, my aunt recommended to put on the tree. I think that looks amazing. Things are not perfect. We're just trying to get the family together, and we're trying to do things slowly but surely. We got a lot to do. A lot of demolition already happened last year and things like that. It did not used to even look like this. It was way worse than this, y'all. So we're trying to get things together. Hold on. So yeah, everything coming together. Things are being well kept. We're still trying to do stuff, y'all. So bear with us. Be on the journey with us. You ready?
Big cat stick one in?
Yeah.
For the cat?
Yeah, they got thorns.
Oh, Lord, yeah, leave it.
That's what I'm saying.
It feel good, doesn't it? Try to break the roof.
Oh, y'all put the benches in everything. I didn't even know. Yeah, that's why I was saying, Star. You got
So
to.
they can breathe.
Yeah.
Or they stretching out.
A good choice, Vent.
Look at it, great.
It's gonna look so good once
It
it's all
is.
done.
Them told me how to plant roses, Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lowe.
Miss Lewis.
Oh, she did.
She had roses all over her yard, backyard. And she brought them and I plant. She watched me plant them. She told me how to plant them and stuff.
Yeah.
And everything she plant grow. Everything.
Yeah.
No matter what it is.
Take the tags off, start if you can.
Okay.
Probably need some scissors or something.
No.
Okay.
I kept one care instruction just in case me and Kendra come down here and want maintenance something.
Water on it.
Okay. Go to the light bulb. Like, it's kind of hard to the cord. I don't want to break this.
Yeah. Oh, just use can don't get zapped, girl.
Yeah, that'll be electric.
Once these bushes grow, then it's gonna block all that. But you can tweak that out.
Yeah, we can ball that out.
Plastic under, you know.
Oh.
Like right there, that little bunch right there. I just pulled out.
Where you want to put it at?
Like, just push it out.
Oh.
Is it on?
Is that thing on?
Yeah.
Ain't that a sound?
Is this thing on? The microphone.
You just don't want to do the dirt vent or?
I think I got the degree out. That's good. Yeah, I think.
I was that all over too. Let's just do it. Please do it. Let's let them go.
It don't mind.
Time pause, Mr. Boston. What kind of situation say you smoking again?
I ain't trying to get the mud. Yeah, I know. I don't mind getting dirty. My outfit is.
That's the outfit with my shoes. So they got holes in it.
Oh, yeah.
You look better already. That's right. Oh, stop.
We gonna cut the whole thing
You
up.
said it's stopping?
I mean, I know Home Depot. They was $5 for $10.
Yeah.
Where?
At Home Depot?
Oh, I ain't got one around here. These was 5 something each.
Oh no, I would got that cheap. Oh, so because you got the what's name? You got Scott's. If you buy that home, then the Lowe brand, it's $5 for $10.
Alright, y'all, so this is what it look like so far. We used all the bags of mulch, but we probably need 3 more bags. I thought it was more than enough, but it was not, so we gotta get some more. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, we need at least
about 3 bags.
Okay. So we need 3 more bags. That place open 24 hours.
Yeah, you gotta call Betty, girl. It's after 12.
Yeah.
Living one day at a time. Content by Kendra. By Kendra. Subscribe and join her on her journey.